In this video, you'll learn how to add your company logo to your Outlook email signature for a more professional appearance. To get started, open Settings by clicking the gear icon. Then select the Account option to access your account preferences. Next, open the Signatures section and click Add Signature where you can personalize your email signature. Next, enter a name for your email signature in the provided field. Once you've entered the company name, you're ready to move on to the next step, the company logo field to add or update your logo. Here, you can first enter your name, then your phone number, followed by your company name and email address. After that, you can upload your company logo in the logo section. To insert your logo, choose the Insert option in the signature editor, then confirm by clicking Insert to add your image. Next, select your company logo file from your computer and click Open to upload it to your signature. Finally, set your new signature as the default for new messages, so your logo appears automatically in each email. That's it. You're all set with a branded Outlook signature.